Hey creators! Tired of video tools that cost a fortune, force you to sign up, or slap ugly watermarks on your masterpiece? What if I told you there's a completely free solution that lets you generate stunning videos in seconds without sign up and completely watermark free? Before I show you how to use this secret free tool, check out these videos I made in 10 seconds flat. No watermarks, no sign up, and yes, they're 100% free. Let's see if you can guess how they were made. Don't worry, I'll spill the secrets. Let's break down AIfreevideo.com and why you'll love it once you know this. Stick around, because today we're diving into AIfreevideo.com, the game changer you've been waiting for. Please watch till the end for better understanding. Let's break down why AIfreevideo.com stands out. First up, 100% free. No hidden fees, no premium upsells, just unlimited creativity without opening your wallet. Second, zero signups. Forget passwords and email hassles. Just visit the site and you're ready to create. And third, no watermarks ever. Professional quality videos that are truly yours. This tool works straight from your browser. No accounts, no email, no nonsense. Go to AIfreevideo.com. You'll see an interface offering both image to video and text to video features. First, we will try the image to video feature. Click Upload Image and select your pre-generated scene. Hit Generate and verify you are a human. Watch the magic happen. In minutes, your video will be ready. And boom, you've got a smooth, AI-generated clip. No watermarks, no sign-in, just your vision, ready to share with the world. Hit Download to save it straight to your device. No branding, no distractions. Imagine using this for YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels, so much potential. Now try text to video. Type your idea here. Let's try a robot dancing in a neon light city, and hit Generate and verify you are a human, and boom. In minutes, you've got a smooth generated clip. Okay, real talk. This free AI video tool may take 4 to 5 minutes to generate clips during peak hours. But when you see the quality, you'll realize it's the best trade-off ever. Check out what I made while waiting for my coffee to brew. Download it and it's yours. No watermarks, no sign-in, just your vision, ready to share with the world. Ready to try it? Click the link below to visit AIfreevideo.com and start creating free videos today. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a free tool tip. Drop a comment telling me what you'll create first. I read everyone. See you in the next one.